But Kochi, believe me or not, I have got an amazing sixth sense. And I'm sure to it a negative ho chu, but definitely things will be better. Just wait and watch till July. July jai, the sun and the moon are not in alignment. Once they come into alignment, you don't know, you will rock this world. I'm telling you, more bhi empty face chalti tha, but now I'm doing much better. And you know what? I know where I'm heading. Okay, so that's the most important thing. And Jubilee Bhena, wish you a very very happy birthday. I hope you always keep knowing where you're heading and you do well. No, moreover, all jokes apart, I think it's been a great experience to have, you know, as I repeat, be in this cousins group, and you being the Karta Dharta, it is you who we all have to thank. And we will try to be positive and we'll try to share positive stuff as you desire. But, keep rocking.
So who is Jubilee? How do you describe him?
So Jubilee is this little cousin of mine. Unfortunately, while growing up, I had some interactions, but then again, we sort of did not get to spend much time together. But also my initial introduction was, I used to hear like Mai say like, "Hey, Babuli Jubilee, khali pita piti ho chanti."
What does it mean?
Pita piti ho chanti as in they're like fighting with each other. And then Mamu would say to them or something, like, "Hey, Bubun ko dekho, sikate quietly basti." And look at Bhuban, how quietly he's sitting. And so I used to also feel very embarrassed because, being used to sort of berate someone else or tell someone else was not nice. So I'm sure that they must be all both thinking that, who's this guy? So, yeah, that's my little cousin back from Bhubaneswar days.
So let's describe Jubilee. Let's start with the letter J.
J for Joker or for Jackie, like Bedu. I'm Jackie Shroff. So
Just
J.
like you.
U for unique because it's quite unique in its own ways, talking about Buddhism and etc. Tarot card and all of that. Then U B for sorry, Jubilee, bald. That's what came in my head first.
There's definitely.
And then JB, U for umbrella, because once you're bald, you need an umbrella to cover yourself from the sun. Again, sorry. And then JUBU, eunuch. No, not eunuch. I had said unique already, but now it's umbrella. Okay, sorry. And then L is for lively. Is always lively and. Like it's like a live wire is always N2, and the final one is I for intriguing, because you don't know what is going to add to your video, how it's going to add some music, etc. So Jubilee, wish you a very very happy birthday. I'm sorry, I'm extremely been caught up in various things, so I'm a little tired, but you will get another video with a little more N2, but hopefully this is. So wish you a very very happy birthday. I have no idea which birthday it is, but I think Simut would be elder than Bunty, so elder than Bunty birthday. Okay, all the best.
Hey darling, you need to stop working. We need to do video for your bye.
Bye. Do we have a bye? Which bye is this now today? Whose birthday is that?
Jubilee bye, darling. Jubilee bye.
Darling, it's not bye. It's bhai. Bhai means brother. Bhai means maid. Can you say bhai?
Bye?
No, not bhai, darling. Bhai. Bhai means maid. Jubilee is not a maid.
But Jubilee is made in India, so
He's not a maid in India.
Bye.
He's not a maid in India. He's like you're saying Jubilee is a maid.
As in MADE?
Oh, made in India.
Made in India.
Darling, when will you learn some Oriya? Can you say achi? Hey, what is that? Achi. Can you say jauchi, asuchi?
Jauchi, asuchi.
Oh wow, you said that then. But then, can you say cha?
Cha?
No, cha.
Cha.
Anyway, is it Jubilee's birthday?
Yeah, of course, it's Jubilee birthday.
Jubilee's birthday. Can you say Jubilee's?
Jubilee?
No, Jubilee's.
Jubilee!
Where's the
But it's
S?
only one. Jubilee supposed to be Jubilee.
No, but it's Jubilee's birthday.
Jubilee's birthday.
Okay. So why don't you wish him then?
Hey, Jubilee! Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, Jubilee. Bye. Come and wash our house a little bit. Come.
Yeah.
Jubilee, bye.
And bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Oh, wait.
Hey, not bye bye. Not bye. Not even bye bye. Not buy.
Before-
Not that buy. Not buying shopping.
Bye. We should cheers.
Cheers.
Jubilee first.
With closed bottles.
Oh,
See
yeah.
what she does to me. Bottles are kept to, like, to tease me.
Now we'll open it when Jubilee is here. Cheers.
Cheers. Have a wonderful birthday, Jubilee.
Happy birthday.
Hi Jublu Bhaina, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Thank you so much for getting us cousins together. It's not an easy task. Stay as cool as you are, stay as awesome as you are, stay as positive as you are, stay an all-rounder as you've always been. Keep rocking, keep happening. Love you. Take care. Happy birthday. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.
जुबलेना ମୁଁ ବହୁତ ଅପସେଟ୍ ମୋ ମନ ବହୁତ ଖରାପ ଅଛି
ଆରେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା ଆସେ ଆସେ ବ କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି କହ ମତେ କହ
ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଫୋନ୍ କରିଥିଲି ମେସେଜ କରିଛି ସେ ମୋତେ ଇଗ୍ନୋର କରିଛି କଥା କହୁନି ଏତିକି ଦିନ ହେଲାଣି କ'ଣ କରିବି କହିଲ
ଲିପା ଟୁଡେ ଆଇ ଟିଚ୍ ୟୁ ଆବାଉଟ୍ ଲାଇଫ୍ ତୁ ଯଦି ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ଶିଖିଗଲୁ ନା you will be happy all the time ମୁଁ ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟି ଦଉଛି ଶୁଣ ନିଜ ଭିତରେ ନା ଯେତେ ନେଗେଟିଭ ଥଟ୍ସ ଅଛି ଯେତେ ନେଗେଟିଭ ଏନର୍ଜି ଅଛି throw them out universe will exactly give you what you have inside you will attract positive energies only if you have positivity inside yourself तो positive ଜିନିଷ କାଇଁ ଭାବୁନୁ this is exactly your problem why are you thinking negative कौन हब्बो कौन हेइथिला why you are thinking about that
ବଟ୍ ଶୁଣ ମୁଁ ସେମିତି
ମୁଁ ଏତ କଥା କହୁଛି ଚୁପ୍ ହେଇକି ଶୁଣ ଚୁପ୍ ମୁଁ କଥା କହିସାରେ ପୁରା କଥାଟା
Let me say
नो ଲିପା you have to listen to me ମୁଁ କଥା କହିସାରେ ଶୁଣ ତୁ ସାଙ୍ଗ ତତେ ଫୋନ୍ କରନି କଣ ହେଇଛି କଣ ନାହିଁ it's okay it's all right be happy with yourself be completely with yourself be happy
पर जो
पुणी कथा कहला मझे मु पूरा एडवाइस ता कंप्लीट कर सारे मु कथा कंप्लीट करनी पास्ट डजंट एग्जिस्ट जा है गला इट्स गॉन इट्स ओवर लिव इन द प्रेजेंट देख मु कौन पढुछ न्यू अर्थ आग्रु पटली पावर ऑफ नाउ you have to live in now think of only now what you can do now think about that right
ହଉ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବି କ'ଣ କରିବି ଦେଖିବି
don't behave like that ठीक अच्छी कौन हब कौन करीबी एटा कौन पॉजिटिव कथा कर हाँ ठीक अच्छी आई डू इट एक कथा कह
ओके କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଯଦି ଫୋନ୍ କେବେ ବି ନ କଲା ଇଏ ଫୋନ୍ କେବେ ନ ଉଠେଇଲା ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗ ସାଥିରେ କାଟିଦେବ
again the problem with you all the problems are with you either you live in past or you live in future time is a myth future is a myth fear is a myth there's nothing called as future जेंतु तू 2 दिन पूर्व निश्वास नहीं पारू 2 दिन पर निश्वास नहीं देखे पारू नॉट पॉसिबल डोंट लिव इन फ्यूचर से फोन करिबो न करिबो डोंट लिव इन फ्यूचर लिव इन द प्रेजेंट बुझ पारलो आज कोटे कते एडवाइस देबी लिव इन नाउ ओके सुन my final advice for you but you have to do it first thing work on yourself do the 3-step breathing right पेट उपरे बही थइबु just navel उपरकु breathe in through your stomach very good and breathe out through your heart. सोई की करिबू, do it for half an hour. तू देख how it will change you. आ तो सांगो को फोन कर and see what happens. Okay? Cut to next day.
जुबलेना ମୁଁ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗକୁ ଫୋନ୍ କରିଥିଲି
Very good.
ସେ ମୋତେ ସଟଅପ୍ କହିଦେଲା
कौन होला? तू सांगा shut up कहला? अरे किए मो भोड़ी shut up कहला? I'm going to stand with you, Lipa. Nobody can harass you. Nobody can abuse you. I'm there with you. I'm Jublu Mishra. Cut it. तू ये हंसी चु. Hey Jublana, sorry. This was just a hypothetical example of how you have been very supportive and teaching me to live this life. Thank you so much. And wish you a very, very happy birthday. May God bless you always. And may we all be together in all our life phases. And may all your dreams come true. A very, very happy birthday. Happy birthday, my brother.
Hello Jublu Bahina, happy birthday to you. Sharing something about you that I truly feel and believe from my childhood. During this crisis and the lockdown, many of us looked at the world map, panicked, discussed cases, death, conspiracy and whatnot. But one beautiful soul amongst us looked at the map differently. He saw this, a long cherished dream that he could conclude, and for a long time he missed where he belonged. So he did this. And gently knocked and said hello. And we all know that rest is history. This is a jar of love and happiness, and this is the best gift that you have given to all of us. And it's not because we were busy and you had all the time in the world to do this. It is because you thought differently. You have a very beautiful mind, and you have a very warm personality, and it is not now, it was back then. You were very unique in your ways. I'm reminded of a song which I think is very apt, and I would like to sing it for you. वो तो है अलविदा हजारों में अकेला. Many happy returns of the day.
Hi Jublu Mamu, I wanted to know if you were that modern long time ago, or you wanted to shoo your little sisters away and give them any answer. जुबलू भाईना गबलू भाईना घूमती के आन में सलवार कमीज और चुन्नी पिंदी की जिब्बा.
बाबुली कौन कहबो? मु कहूची चढ़ी पिंदी बुल जा.
अरे मामा केतबेले आसिलु?
एले आसिली. तमे गिटार बजाउछ? गोटे गीत मो पाई गाई पारियो?
बस हो सुने. पर मेरे कब तक मुझे ऐसे ही तड़पाओगे, मैं आग दिल में लगा दूंगा वो कि पल में बिखर जाओगे. Happy birthday Jublu Bhaina. If ever I look back, I always relate the Dilbar song and I visualize you. Though it's an Amitabh Bachchan's and Kishore Kumar's song, but somehow that song has made a imprint in my mind, and I only see you there. It was one of your favorite songs, and every time I used to visit BBSR, I think that's something which you used to play. wish you abundance of knowledge, abundance of joy and happiness in your life. You keep sharing a lot of good stuff in the group that keeps us motivated, and be really happy, be joyful, and thanks for getting us all together and doing this. And may the years ahead be blessed for you.
Hi Jubilee Mamu, this is Tisya. Hope you like the song. This song is dedicated to your birthday and looking forward to meeting you. I can read your mind and I know your story. I see what you're going through, yeah. It's an uphill climb and I'm feeling sorry, but I know it will come to you, yeah. Don't surrender, 'cause you can win in this thing called love. When you want it the most, there's no easy way out. When you're ready to go and your heart left in doubt, don't give up on your faith. Love comes to those who believe in it, and that's the way it is. Hello Jublu Mamu, happy birthday. It's me, Mitzi. I will be playing a song for your very special birthday. And that's the end of the song. Hope you have a wonderful, lovely day, only filled with fun and not a single inch of worries.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरे भैया है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है। Love you, Jublu Henna. Wish you a fantastic happy birthday. Hope you have a good day and a great life ahead. Thank you for getting all of us together on the group. Now we can share our lives and make more memories together like it was in the old days. Have a lovely day. Love you.
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि. Jublu Bhaina, may Buddha wish you abundant bliss in your life. May you become the Buddha as you already are, and may you share abundant love and bliss in your life and to all the people that you love. Wish you a very, very happy birthday and many, many happy returns of the day.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Happy birthday, Jubilee Baina. Have a wonderful year and have a blissful day. And wishing you lots and lots of happiness, love, joy throughout the year and the years to come. Happy birthday.
जुगलू भाई ना कौन है
देखिलु टी ज्वर लगुचे ज्वर अछि कि मते देख टिके ठीक से देखे तातिची की
ଉଷୁମ ଅଛି
टिके मां को डाकिलु
ନିରୁଦ ଏଠି ଘରେ ହିଁ ନାହାନ୍ତି
ओहो मो मुंडटा भारी बिंदुची
ଚିପି ଦେବି
हाँ टिके चिपी देलु ओहो कितने जोरे मां कुआडे गला मो
2 ମିନିଟ ରୁହ
ओहो मते अमृत अंजन गोडा काहे लगेलु मो ओफो मते पडिला ओफो
Sorry.
अच्छा तो पिलाटा एकदम Hey Juliana, I hope you like this skit. You might not remember this incident which took place in Tinnambar. You were really upset with me for putting Amrutanjan on your forehead. This is one of the memories I still remember, and there are so many to cherish. Thank you very much for creating this group and keeping all of the cousins together once again. Love you for this. You are an amazing person. Thank you for being a part of our life. Many happy returns of the day. We love you. We love you so much.
Hi, happy birthday Jublu Mamu. I really hope to meet you soon. A very happy birthday. Bye. Hi Jublu Mamu, this song is dedicated to you because Mama told that this is one of your favorite songs and I really hope you like it. जीवन के दिन छोटे सही हम भी बड़े दिल वाले कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम मत वाले जीवन के दिन छोटे सही हम भी बड़े दिल वाले कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम मत वाले जीने का रंगीन मौसम ये खूबसूरत जमाना जीने का रंगीन मौसम ये खूबसूरत जमाना अपने यही 4 पल हैं आगे है क्या किसने जाना जीना जिसे आता है वो इनमें ही मौज मना ले कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम मत वाले जीवन के दिन छोटे सही हम भी बड़े दिल वाले कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ सोचे जो हम मत वाले
Oops, I have to stop at 3. You're talking about 3 number, right? Not 1, 2, 3. I just humored you because it was your birthday. You've been calling me Madhuri Dixit for now 30 years or 25, whatever. No, about 35 years, I think. So I must tell you right now, I don't think I look like Madhuri Dixit. You have called me Madhuri Dixit. All the little baby cousins have. But did you like my performance? That was just for you, Jubilee.
just to make your birthday special. We all had to think outside of the box, but you've really made it special by making this Teen Number group, getting everybody together, and being a fellow Cancerian, sometimes cranky, sometimes loving. Stay loving. Wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Jubilee, you've seen how much of love there is for you, from your brothers and sisters, from your cousins. It's really a special day. But you know, as they say, dosto ke bina, life is not complete. So you need friends to complete your life. So which is why I went, for you, I had not done a proper video. So I thought I'll do something by getting a friend to also share their wishes with you and love with you. So here's a wish for a friend, and hope your day is now complete. Brothers, cousins, friends, all wishes here.
Sister?
Sister also, sorry. Okay.
Hi, how are you all? Happy birthday to you.